Hi, this is Matt from tracymatt.co.uk, and this is the E-TEN Glofiish X800. The X800 is one of the few Windows mobile devices on the market at the moment that has a VGA display. That's a 640x480 display. We'll just take a look inside. So you have the device itself. Okay, in a moment. We have a case, which is a pocket pouch style, with a belt clip, and there's a magnetic release, and the device slides inside. It's quite a nice design. It's sort of simulation leather, but it's quite attractive looking. So inside we have battery, which is a 1500 mAh battery, a spare stylus, headphones with inline microphone for hands-free use, and the connector on there is a 2.5mm jack with 4 poles, an adapter and connector for the mains charger, which is in USB style. And finally have USB to mini USB sync charge cable. Underneath there we have a quick start guide and CD-ROM with active sync and a manual. So if we take a look at the device now, the screen protector is included. I'll take the cover off. Quite an attractive design. Front facing VGA camera. Controls on the front, your send and end keys, soft keys, a Windows key and an OK key. Also got a home key and a little sat-nav key, because the X800 does have built-in GPS. So on the side I have a button for the power, a button for the camera. On the bottom feed the mini USB connector for sync and charge. Underneath have a cover over the micro SD card slot, little hole there where the microphone is. On the side, headphone connector, another soft key, and volume up and down rocker. Nothing actually on the top of the device. So on the bottom have home for the stylus. Stylus is telescopic style. On the back we have a 2-megapixel camera with flash and little mirror if you want to take pictures of yourself, and also a little grill over the loudspeaker. To remove the cover, it's quite firm and disconcerting initially. It takes a lot of effort to remove the back cover, which is probably a good thing. Battery goes in here, your SIM card just there, cover replaces just there. Overall, neat looking device with its red accents. Specification, as I mentioned before, VGA display, that's a 480/640, 2.8 inch, 3G and HSDPA, as well as Edge, GPRS, GSM, it's quad band. Bluetooth 2, built-in Wi-Fi 802.11b and G, and overall weight, including the battery, obviously not installed at the moment, is 165 grams. Dimensions 113mm by 60mm by 15.8mm. Processor is a 400MHz Samsung processor. Windows Mobile 6 has 64 meg of ROM and 128 meg of RAM. 64 meg of ROM might be a bit lean at the moment, I would say, and you're almost certainly going to want a micro SD card in order to install anything useful, certainly to install sat-nav, such as TomTom. If we just put the battery in and power on, when you first turn the device on, it takes a couple of minutes to install the applications. Once it's started up, you get the E-TEN customised home screen, and it is immediately obvious that it's a VGA display. It's unbelievably clear, and I think this will be a pleasure to use this device. As always, I will be reviewing it in more detail over the next week or so, and the review will be online for your reading pleasure soon.